Well, Richard, look what we have here.
Oh my God.
Yeah, the Town Tire Car Service Center. We should go inside, because I think Sal Longette runs this place.
Let's go in. We'll go in and talk to Sal, see what he has to say.
I've been on this corner now since 1967.
And this building, when did you build it?
I started out next door in the Sunoco station in 1967, and we outgrew that. In 74, I built this building, and we ran that place until 78. In 78, I gave that up and opened up another tire shop in Manalapan. It was an old Atlantic Richfield Arco station that I purchased and remodeled it. And we ran that from 78 to 92. And in 92, I sold that to Vespia Tire.
Okay.
But we've been here since, like I say, 1974 when I built this building. Actually, I sold it in 97, and the gentleman who bought it from me kind of went bad, and we took it back last year, and this is all brand new. My whole showroom is all brand new. We have a beautiful showroom for our customers. The ladies like it. They don't mind hanging out here and sitting here.
We've got TV. You can see the cars being worked on up here with the cameras.
We have closed-circuit TV for the customers to watch their car being worked on.
And this is not like the old garage that used to be at on the corner with the Sunoco station, where you'd be in the greasy chairs. This is definitely a classy place.
It's a classy place, yeah, and most women appreciate it, and I'm happy for that. They always comment, always good commenting about it. But it's a really nice, warm environment. We have a refreshment station here. We have cold and hot drinks. We have 30 different flavors of coffee. We have Starbucks. We have Dunkin' Donuts coffee. And what we do, we invite our customers to come in the morning and just grab a coffee and go. So they don't have to stop at Dunkin' Donuts. They can stop here, grab a coffee, and go.
Now, Sal, let's say some of our MATAWAN graduates are riding around town when they come for the reunion. Would they be welcomed here to stop by and get a cookie and say hello to you?
Absolutely. I'd be glad to see them. It'd be nice to have somebody stop by.
They could also get their oil changed while they were here and grab some tires.
There you go. There you go.
We offer our first-time customer a free oil change. If they're first time in the store here, they get a free oil change. And their sixth oil change is also free. We have a oil change program when after you purchase the first, in this case if they're new, they would get it for free. Then you purchase your second, third, and fourth, and fifth, and your sixth oil change is also free. So we offer free oil changes.
Now, how about that nice latrine you have back here?
In the bathroom, the women love our bathroom.
Look at this bathroom.
Ultra modern bathroom.
Look at this bathroom. Isn't that fabulous? All right.
We also have a workstation for our customers. A lot of times customers come in and I used to watch them doing work on a little coffee table, so I went and got them a desk and a computer that they could actually come in and work at a desk and computer.
Oh, that's nice. That's great. Yeah. To the shop?
We're going to the shop area.
Did you say?
It's porcelain tile.
No, but how? I mean,
3,500 square feet.
Oh, 3,500. Wow.
3,500 square feet of porcelain tile. And we have 7 bays, all new equipment, everything's brand new. Our alignment rack is a computerized alignment rack, and we do probably at least 10 to 15 alignments a day. And we do a lot of wholesale alignments. We do for other garages in the area, such as Mahoney Tire. We do all his alignments.
Oh.
We do Compact Auto Bodies alignments. We do Toto Auto Service. We do all their alignments. So we keep pretty busy.
You've got the up-to-date equipment then that works on this stuff.
Yes,
obviously.
yes, everything's brand new. Yeah.
All
And
right.
we did a lot of work on the outside of the building. The whole outside, we got all new lights on the outside.
This floor is amazing.
Yeah.
Now, of course, you would encourage all of the class of '64 to come to the reunion September 16th, 17th, and 18th, and you'll be joining us.
I'll be joining you too. Absolutely. I'll be looking forward to seeing everybody from the class of '64.
64.
And maybe we'll see guys and girls from '63.
Well, I think we might get a smut go there too.
Yeah, that'd be nice. That's '63.
Yeah, I know. That's your class.
That's my class.
Alex is known to show up at many things.
Yeah,
too, so
he's
this
good.
is okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you very much, and we'll be seeing you soon.